Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're here, my name is Sachi Bhasin Daga and this is my little home on YouTube. I know I've been well anticipated to start a YouTube channel. For the longest time I've been getting requests on my Instagram and now I'm finally here, and I thought why not kickstart things with a lip swatch and a new launch, and this is none other than by Nykaa Beauty, and I'm very excited to see what we have with us right now. So here we have the package. It's like a little TV, it's a television box here, and it's called Matte Flicks and Chill with Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Color by Nykaa. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, quite a few things just came out. Let's just take it one by one. We first of all have this very cute prop. It's a little popcorn box, and we also have some popcorn, which is my favorite, Magic Butter. I love this flavor. And we also have a little TV remote by Nykaa. It's obviously like a brochure which has all the shade names, and just taking a quick scan I can see there are some of my favorite characters as the lip shade names. We have Rachel, Miranda, Carrie, Monica, Blair, Serena, Hannah, Phoebe, Samantha, Spencer, Arya and Charlotte. Oh my god guys, I'm so excited to see what they chose with each character, because that is very exciting for sure. Coming across with the packaging, I'm loving how it's looking. It's a very chic kind of, like it's actually melting inside. Like if you can see the packaging, it's melting inside the product, and I absolutely love the way it looks. The color scheme is really nice. You have different colors. You have actually everything sorted for your color scheme. You have some nudes, you have some reds, a little bit of a pinkish tone, as well as some deep purples. So I'm really liking that theme, and I can't wait to start seeing each and every lipstick. So this is what the container looks like. It's just a very chic kind of a look. I like the way it's very handy. I like the applicator as well. It's very precise, and it just hugs the lips very carefully, so I really like that. I'm going to start swatching all the lipsticks for you guys, and we're going to go one by one and talk about the color and the way it feels. Before swatching, let's see what Nykaa has to say about this new product of theirs. So it's written, "From television with love, Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Color is an ode to girls that have melted our hearts from our favorite TV series." I cannot agree more. Their distinct personalities have set a bar so high that they will forever inspire generations. These signature lip shades inspired by our favorite leading ladies are most relevant today, as they are the voice of the inner dramatic, strong women among all of us. These moussey matte shades will surely make you feel surrounded by these harmoniously minded but wonderfully distinct women, each of whom we love and adore. So let's be cheerleaders for these iconic leaders. So it says that it's a moussey matte texture, dual application on lips as well as cheek, extremely lightweight formula, all day comfortable wear, enriched with argan oil and shea butter. So that is very promising for all of the lipsticks. We're going to start swatching, and as we start rolling the clip, I'm going to tell you what I feel about each color. Let's go. So first we have 01 Rachel, my favorite character from Friends. I'm sorry Phoebe, I know you're coming up, but this is my... I love Rachel, okay guys, and this color could not be more apt. I love the way it just glided onto the lips, and in terms of the formula, straight out of the bat, it's a very lightweight and thin texture. It's not incredibly pigmented. It's a little bit of a, it is moussey in fact, but I don't know about the longevity about this product, because I've just about tried it and I'm swatching it, but right off the bat, I love the color, I like the way it feels, so as of now I'm liking it, and I love the shade Rachel 01. Now we have 02 Carrie, which again is a beautiful nudie pink. Just swatching it on my lips as well as on my hand, it's a very pretty color for sure. It's a very lightweight texture, so what I expected when I heard Molten Matte would be like a thick pigmented matte color, which would also be lightweight. So this did take me a little off guard, but nonetheless it's a very interesting formula. If you're looking for something that's opaque, this may not be the right formula for you, but there are shades coming up which is an instant opaque pigment. But I really like the color, I really like the way it's feeling as of now, and yeah, that's 02 Carrie. Now 03 Blair is an incredible shade. I was though thinking of like a more glossy, like a deeper nude for Blair, because I keep seeing, I mean, whenever I watched Gossip Girl, which was long back, I remember her in a lot of glossy nudes, but still, nonetheless, it's a very similar shade to what I would imagine Blair wearing. It's a very pretty color, again in the same family of deeper nudes, and it applied a little more flaky, if I could say. It wasn't like as easy as Rachel and Carrie, but I like how it looks for sure. It's a very pretty color. Of course, a little lip balm underneath would do the trick to apply these products. So here we have Hannah. Not my favorite color, honestly. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and maybe try this product more to like it, maybe. But it's a pretty reddish peachy nude towards that family, and again, this didn't apply the best out of all of the colors. I think Blair, Rachel and Carrie were much better than this, but yeah, I think it's a decent color. So now we have 05 Samantha. I think it's a beautiful color. I think this is so apt for the characterization, and it's a bright, very flattering, spring ready, reddish strawberry color. I mean, it's just stunning. I love it. It's something that I want to try out and wear, and you can even wear like a bold eye with this look because it's so subtly bold and bright. I love this color, and it went on also very, very well. Next we have 06 Arya from Pretty Little Liars, another color which I am obsessed with. I've lately been trying to try out bold colors and get out of my straight up peachy nudes, pinks, and the typical peach colors, and this is something that really makes me come out of my comfort zone. I love the way this looks, and it's so apt. It's totally an Arya color. Like, I remember Pretty Little Liars distinctly, and I remember her in this bright, really sultry deep pink. So I really, really like this color. Okay, next we have 07 Miranda. It's an orangish kind of a color, and honestly I'm not a big fan of orange lipstick, so this is my least favorite color out of the lot. I though feel like if you love orange, if you want to try it on, if you want something subtle, this is definitely a wearable orange for sure. Like, I could maybe pass this on for sure because of the texture and the way this feels, but I mean, it's my personally speaking, I think this is the least favorite out of the lot. But again, if you like orange, if you want to try something out, then definitely go for this. Now we have 08 Monica, another character. Actually, I love all Friends characters. I'm sorry, that's like my favorite show ever. So this color is a true red, and it's just the perfect red, guys. Like, I know like we find so many good reds in the market, but this is so subtle. It's like a very blotted lip effect. So, and it's also like a blue red, so your teeth will look really white when you wear this. So I really like it, and I think it's a perfect formula if you want to try out a red lip and really carry it off without really thinking twice. So definitely a thumbs up for this one. So now we have 09 Serena, which is definitely my favorite color of the collection. It's a stunning berry deep pink, and it's so flattering. It's absolutely stunning. I think it's going to look amazing on every single skin tone. I think this entire collection is so beautifully done. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's going to be looking good on every single skin tone, simply because it's like a blotted effect look. You can definitely put layers on, and it's going to have that straight up pigmented opaque finish. So I definitely love this color, like hands down, blindly go for it. Cool, so we have 10 Phoebe, again a very apt color. She's all about funky, bright colors, and this is such an apt characterization of a lip color. Like, I think this entire collection, whoever, the whole Nykaa team, hats off to you guys, because instantly when I was putting it on, I was like, oh my god, this is Phoebe. This is absolutely Phoebe. And again, a very pretty color, very wearable and bright and very striking. You can do like a nice bronzy eye like what I've done today, have this on, and you're good to go. Again, this would be an amazing cheek color as well. I haven't tried on these lipsticks on the cheeks, but it is okay to wear it as a blush. So this would also be a very nice blotted look for the cheek as well as a blush. So my lips are probably falling off by now with all these lip swatches. But we're coming down to the last two. We have 11 Spencer, which is a bright purplish, lavender-ish color. This is definitely, again, an out-of-a-box color for me. I usually don't go for purples, but I think it's a very pretty color for sure. It would definitely be a lovely night out look. I think that it's perfect for an evening event. And yeah, I mean, I like this color. Now we have number 12, Charlotte, who's definitely one of my favorite characters from Sex and the City. I really liked her. I loved her aura and the way she had an outlook towards life. It was very strong, independent and fearless, and this color definitely signifies that. It's a beautiful deep purple mauve shade, and I have this on my lips right now. I absolutely love this shade. It's something that I want to wear more often. But definitely, now that we're winding up the entire video, I would just like to say this collection is definitely a thumbs up from my end. It did catch me off guard in the beginning because I expected it to be very high pigmented and, you know, like the typical matte shades, but they already do have their liquid matte shades and their ultra matte, which does the job. But this is definitely something very different. I haven't seen something like this in the Indian market. It's got this blotted effect. It's highly pigmented when you apply it once or twice, but just one layer is definitely good to go. Especially because summer is around the corner, where typically now in the middle of summer, this is so comfortable to wear. It's not something that you feel like, okay, you know, I just want it off my lips right now. I've done 12 lip swatches and I can't feel that I've actually worn 12 lipsticks because of the formula. It's definitely very, very enriched in all the butters that have been mentioned because it's extremely comfortable to wear on the lips. So yeah guys, basically that was it. It's for ₹5.99 and it's available on Nykaa.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and lots of them coming up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you in my next. Bye.